As the question says, find the acceleration of the blocks A and B in the three situations shown in the figure. So let us first work with the A part of the question. Let us assume that this A block is moving up with an acceleration of A. The acceleration of this part of the string needs to be 0. This will be obviously A in the downward direction. And so, if we assume the acceleration of B to be A dash in downward direction, then for A part of the question we can say that twice of A dash is equals to A plus 0. That is, A dash equals to A by 2. Also, if tension in this string is T, then it will be T over here, and 2T over here. So we can write it as T minus 4G equals to 4A. Also, applying the equation on the block B, we can write as 5 into A dash, that is mass into acceleration, is equals to total downward force, that is mg 5g, minus total upward force, that is 2t. Solving both of these equations, we get minus 3g equals to 8a plus 5a dash. Now, putting the value of a dash into this equation, we get minus 3g equals to 8a plus 5a by 2. That is, a equals to minus 2g by 7. Putting back in the equation a dash equals to a by 2, we get a dash equals to minus g by 7. Now this implies that this block of 4 kg, that is A block, is moving down with an acceleration of 2g by 7, while this block B is moving up with an acceleration of g by 7. Now let us proceed with the second part of the question, that is the B part. Let us assume that this block A is accelerating here with an acceleration of A. Obviously, acceleration of this string is 0. And this block B is moving down with an acceleration of A dash. Now, applying the Pauli equation, we can write twice of A dash equals to A plus 0. That is, A dash equals to A by 2. Now, forming the equation for block A, if we assume the tension in the string to be T, here it becomes 2T, and we can easily write the equation for block A as mass, that is 2, into acceleration is equals to total force in its direction, that is T. Marking it as equation number 1 and forming the equation for block B, we can say that mass into acceleration is equals to total downward force minus total upward force. Putting the value of tension from equation 1 into this equation, we get 5a dash equals to 5g minus 4a. Now, putting the value of a dash from above into this equation, we can write 5a by 2 equals to 5g minus 4a. Solving this, we can write it as a equals to 10g by 13. Now from the relation a dash equals to a by 2, we can write a dash equals to 5g by 3. Now this time we are getting both the a and a dash as positive, which implies that the directions we took in initially are correct. That is, b is moving downward with an acceleration of 5g by 3, while a is accelerating to the right with an acceleration of 10g by 13. Now let us move to the third part of the question, that is C part. If we assume the acceleration a of the block A in upward direction, that is, this string will be having a in the downward direction and of b to be a dash in downward direction. Also, let us assume that there is tension in this string T, so that this string is having a tension of 2T in it. Now we can say that from the pulley equation on the second pulley that twice of a dash is equals to a plus 0, because the acceleration of this string is 0 as it has been tied to the ceiling. So a dash is again equals to a by 2. Now let us frame the equation for block A. We can write it as mass into acceleration is equals to total upward force minus total downward force, that is mg. Now framing the equation for block B, we can say that mass into acceleration equals to total downward force minus total upward force. Now removing tension from both of these equations, we get 4a plus a dash equals to minus 3g. Putting the value of a dash from above in this equation, we can write it as a equals to minus 2g by 3. And from that equation, once again, we can write a dash equals to a by 2, that is minus g by 3. Now we are getting this with the negative signs, so we can say that the acceleration of block A is actually in downward direction equals to 2g by 3, while block B is accelerating upwards with an acceleration of g by 3. Now in all such type of questions, note that the strings that have been tied to the ceiling or to some place so that they cannot move have their accelerations equal to 0.